Hey everybody, Iceman 50. So we got just 2 projects left. I don't know what I'm going to do after this. We've got LED headlights to install and a Cerakote headlight cleaning kit. We're going to clean the, where is it? We're going to clean the headlights here. So we'll do a before and after. We'll turn on the headlights here. We'll show you with just regular, 9001 bulbs, the halogen, and then we'll put in the LEDs, and then we'll clean them and see how it looks afterwards. So stay tuned, hang on. All right, everybody, here's what it looks like with the regular bulbs. Man, you can really see just how yellow these things are. They look pretty crappy. See? So we'll get to swapping these out, and then I'll bring you back. Hang on. All right, so here's there's this Jack Smith's LED lighting. These are the L2 9007s C light. Let me we'll pull the package open and we'll see what these things look like before we put them in. All right, everybody, let's pull this. So we get this open one-handed. There we go. What do we got here? For some vehicles, the function of lighting fault detection, there may be problems such as dashboard error, light flickering, bulb won't turn on, etc. If such occurs, please contact us, obtain a decoder. Yeah, well, I don't think we're going to have that problem with the Ford fucking Ranger. All right. Wow, user's manual. What do you use that for? All right, so these supposedly have little fans in them too. Let's pull those bad boys out. Of course, they're tucked into this little. Oh, nice. They give you a little, white glove treatment to put them on. Probably not a bad idea. Look at these. Look at these plugs. Interesting. What's this say? This says something. It says C-Light support 9007. All right, well, that looks like the right plug. So I'll pull out the other one. We'll pop the hood here, and we'll put on our white gloves. Hang on. All right, everybody. So apparently on the passenger side, we got to pull off our air box. Pop the 2 tabs. Lift up. Take this out. Out of the way. Oh, I was going to change my air filter, but it's new. There's basically nothing in there. Awesome. So then we just reach in here, unscrew the thing. Oh, that sounded crunchy. There's a rubber pad kind of in here. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at here. All right, so you see see this rubber pad. The wires are kind of wrapped around in here. We're gonna untangle this in here. There we go. Get the harness kind of out of the way. It was kind of looped around itself. So now we'll just plug in the new one. I don't know if we're gonna. Can we get it this way? I think we need to come in from the. This other guy said that he had to trim down this ring because this, you can see the wire kind of comes out the side. Let's see what we Let's see if we can kind of get it close here. Oh, these tabs are just breaking off, everybody. There's these little tabs in here. All right, let me bring you back when I get this thing in. What a pain in the butt. Whew. After a bunch of struggling, I got it in there. And for the driver's side, we got to check out the battery. Ew. All right, let's zoom you out here. And let's go, let's turn on the headlights and see where we're at. Jeez. All right, hang on. All right, you guys saw it before I did. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Wow. I don't know if you guys can, you guys should be able to tell right away. Wow. And if you get down here, let me bring it down. Look at how much brighter that is. That's crazy. All right, I'm going to pull the battery, and then we'll do the other side. But already that is killer. Trevor's gonna want these. All right, hang on. All right, 8mm takes off the terminals, and then we got to do the battery hold down, which I think is also an 8. No, it's bigger. It looks like. Let's try 10. Oh boy, that's not good. Well, let's spray it with some piss. Yeah, it's kind of stuck in there. Let me spray it with some panther piss. Hey everybody, here's my latest tool from the Hazard Fraught, the Hercules long neck electric ratchet. Big thanks to Howard for that. He borrowed me some money, and because I kind of needed it now for a few things, and so we'll be paying him back. But big shout out to Howard. Thanks for that. Let me get an extension, a little bit longer extension. It's not looking good. Yeah, that's not great. Oh, she is stuck. Let's see, maybe we got an American size that's closer here. That was an 8. Let's try 9/32. Let's see how this works. Yeah, not great. And there is basically no room to get your hand in there with the battery in here. Nope. 7 is not gonna do it. Well, shit. Let me think about what I'm gonna do. Hang on. All right. After struggling, I got it out, but we did not get that battery out. That's a tomorrow me problem. So we're gonna get this new bulb put in, and we're gonna hook the battery back up, and we're gonna leave that the fuck alone for a while because my back is killing me. All right, hang on. All right, everybody. After about like a half hour of struggling getting my hands in there, luckily my arms are not very thick, you know. I was able to get in there and get it done. So And we also, the battery was unplugged for quite a while. So let's see if we can, let's see what happens when we open the door. Let's see if we get anything from the light, because the gem module should be unplugged. Put this in the other video. Oh, the light comes on when you open the door. Oh, snap. I bet you that solved my problem. I'm gonna go flip the lights. Oh, I'm gonna put my jacket on. I had to take it off. It was in the way. That's like 30 something here. All right. Let's see. Oh, you guys are gonna get to see it before I do. Wow. That looks pretty good. I know it doesn't really do it justice on camera, but man, those are bright white. And if I angle down, whoo, it'll blind you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cool. All right. Well, that's about it. Let's drop the hood here. There we go. How's that look? That looks pretty good. I'll bring you back for a night shot, but man, that's a huge difference. All right, we'll see you guys when we go to do the headlight restoration. All right, easy. All right, everybody. Oh, it's like driving a new car. Look how bright that is.
Wow.
Look at how bright these are. And these are not the high beams. We'll get out on the street.
Yeah, this is a lot better.
I can really actually see now. Him and I had the same problem. You couldn't see nothing with those regular headlights. You had to wait for other cars just to be able to kind of like see where you were.
I will say the camera does make it look a little brighter though, I'm not gonna lie.
It does. On camera I can see it. It does look brighter, but it's pretty bright. Oh yeah. We'll get on the street here and we'll let's go, bud. I don't know what they're doing. I want to be able to go so I can turn my brights on. We'll go this way. Hold it back. Oh man, you can really see far. All right, here, let's turn on the brights.
Wow.
Holy shit.
Here, turn them off over there.
You can see so far, but on low, it really is on the road. You can really see in front of you.
Yeah. That was the problem with the original lights.
Yep.
You couldn't see anything.
You couldn't see anything in front of you. Nothing. And I like how they're white. They're not blue or any kind of weird color. They're just white. I don't know. I think it was money well spent.
How much were these?
40 or 50. 50, 60, something. I'll have to look it up.
Yeah, that's not bad at all for what you're getting out of these. These are not bad.
They're like daylighters. Let's get away from the big lights. I mean, just look at the signs, how it lights up the signs.
Yeah.
Here. I love the brights too. Look at that. The brights are on now. The brights definitely get you further down, whereas the regulars.
Yeah, even if you like turn them off, you can still see the stop sign over there. I know the camera's not going to pick that up very well, but
I mean, look at that. Like you can see this. All the light, the signs are so lit up.
yeah.
You can just totally see. This is awesome. Well,
So it's worth it, huh?
yeah. What do you think?
I'm definitely doing this.
Yeah. We'll have to get you guys set. They were a little bit of a pain in the ass. You got to remove your battery. I couldn't remove mine, so I had to stick my hand in there in a funny way, but I got it. But yeah, man, during the mornings when I'm going to work, it's just on low beam. It's all the street in front of you is just completely lit up. anybody's thinking about it, you need to do it. All right, guys. We'll see you. I want to do the I want to clean the headlights, and I'm hoping they'll look even better. But this is
already good. Again, on camera, this looks like it's on high beam. It's not that exaggerated, which is kind of weird because usually it doesn't do the justice on it.
right.
But yeah, no, this doesn't seem too bright. I don't think for anybody. It's not like it's jacked, so I wouldn't be too concerned.
And then here's the high beams. I don't know what it looks like on camera, but it definitely, they're definitely pointed up, and the low beams are definitely pointed down. So, but yeah, so we'll bring you back on the next one. So this was awesome. I'm glad I did it. All right, guys, we'll see you.